Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Login Helps. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to delete your Fofun Lite account. To do that, you need to open your Fofun Lite application. Make sure to sign in on your account. On the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Once you're on the profile, tap on settings at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on the account option on the top of the screen. Once you're on this page, you need to tap on delete account, which is on the bottom of the screen. To ensure the security of your account, we need to verify your login status to ensure that you are the one doing the action. So tap on confirm. So to verify it's you need to tap on next and enter the verification code that has been sent to your number. Once you are done entering the verification code, tap on next button. So here are the delete conditions. You need to go through this. So there are the three conditions. The first one is account balance less than 10,000 diamonds or beans, not official operating account or official contracted account, not a club leader. So if you have followed this condition, now tap on continue. Here is the important reminder. So before you apply to delete your account, you need to read and confirm the following terms. After you have gone through this important reminder, you need to tap on yes. So your account has been successfully deleted. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.